In a serene village, amidst the calm of nature, there lived a crow named Kaka. Kaka was known for his laziness. He never gathered food or made an effort to build a proper nest. One fine morning, Kaka noticed a vibrant parrot named Mitu flying joyfully through the orchard, carrying fruits back to her nest. Kaka flew down to meet Mitu. "Life feels so unfair to me," Kaka complained. "You have everything, a colorful appearance, and plenty of food. But look at me, struggling." Mitu paused and replied, "Kaka, it's not life that's unfair. Sometimes the effort we don't make is what holds us back." Mitu, sensing Kaka's need for guidance, decided to help. She invited him to follow her through the orchard. Mithu demonstrated how to pick ripe fruits and store them safely. Kaka tried his best under Mithu's patient guidance. Days turned into weeks, and slowly, Kaka began to change. He woke up early, searched for food, and worked on his nest diligently. For the first time, he felt a sense of achievement and joy. Kaka learned that life isn't about waiting for things to happen, but about making them happen with effort and determination. In their own way, Kaka and Mithu proved that, with a little effort, even the simplest lives can shine bright.